guys, Candida here, and this 8-pack teacher grading stamp kit is amazing. Not only is it fun and colorful, but it's easy to use. The stamps themselves are self-inking, and so you don't have to worry about that, but after 30,000 uses, if you need to add more ink to it, you can definitely do that. So it comes in a carrying case with a lid to keep all the stamps together, which is a plus to help keep me organized, right? But I love the fact that they're colored, they are positive, and it's a way to help just add a little bit of color and positivity to the papers. We've got well done, parent signature, great effort. I like great effort because even though the answers may not be right, I want to acknowledge the effort that was given. Or there's one that says, please correct and return. Great work, excellent, let's work together on this one, and awesome. They're super easy to use. Just pull it out. It has a cover to protect the stamp. You pull that off, and all you gotta do is, put it on the paper, and just like that, we've got our stamp. Here's the color. So the color of the stamp itself is going to be the color of the ink. I hope you found the review helpful.